Hey, I'm Shay, Ice Cold Cuts. Today we're going to do a short blonde buzz cut and we're going to finish it off with a hair tattoo. First, we're going to apply the Blonde AF lightener to the hair. We're going to apply across, against, and with the grain of the hair. And we're going to shampoo her out with the Barcelona toning shampoo. After shampoo, we're going to cut her hair down to a 1 guard. You're going to get it nice and short so we can apply the hair tattoo after the cut service. We're going to start to apply the hair tattoo. It'll be Fireball, Noir, and Fire Trap. The hair tattoo applied to the side of the head is 2 roses with little vines and leaves. It's just going to give a little color pop to that blonde tone. We finished her look off with a short blonde buzz haircut, applying a hair tattoo. And hair tattoos are really cool when applying a blonde look for your client. I'm Shay, Ice Cold Cuts, Charlotte, North Carolina. Thanks for watching.